Hello, this is Jason from Kimberley Caravans and Motorhomes, Nottingham, junction 26 of the M1, and I'm going to do a little walk around of this 73 plate Coachman Travel Master 545. It's the island bed version, one that we sold originally. It's had one owner. It was new in October 23, so just coming up to 2 years old. It's only done 2,600 miles. It is absolutely immaculate, and is going on sale at £105,000. So around about a £20,000 saving off a brand new one. Gas barbecue point, TV point, gas storage in there. This is the version that has the shower and the garage, which you can see there. Heated garage, mains point at the far side. Lots of storage in there. I'm sure many of you will be familiar with Travel Masters, the Swedish made luxury motorhome. Alde central heating, underfloor heating, air conditioning, all these things are standard. Wi-Fi, solar panel. So let's just go into the bedroom area here. Island bed, his and hers wardrobes either side. You can use the dividing door there to make a completely private changing area at the bottom of the bed. Separate shower and toilet. TV station just to my right or left here in the bedroom area. This one has hardly been used. Big fridge freezer, microwave oven, nice kitchen area, full cooker. Drop down bed in there. It's classed as a full berth, but the drop down bed is at best a very large single or a very small double. You can of course swivel that base seat around there to give another two forward facing seats. And apart from the superior car bay build and the great specification, another main reason that customers buy these is it's on a Mercedes chassis. It's a lovely automatic, lots of brake horse. This is one of the first ones that had the electronic handbrake, so there's no handbrake in the way. It's got the 10-inch M-Bux system there. Lovely colour screen. There's a reversing camera. Coming around to the TV station, drop down TV station there, built into one of the drop down bed cupboards. So this is available at our Nottingham branch. Please give us a call, 0115 938 2401. I don't think we'll have it for very long at that price. It would come with, it's just due now, it's Mercedes-Benz service. So we would do that, which gives you continuous Mercedes-Benz European breakdown cover. Thanks for watching the video. Please contact myself, Jason, or Matthew, or Richard, or Daryl of our sales team at the Nottingham branch. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.